Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Marissa Romero, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the top websites to make anywhere from $1,000 a month to $7,000 a month online in 2019 and beyond, really. So I have some great content coming right up, so stay tuned. All right, everybody, welcome back to the video. And if it's your first time to this channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Marissa Romero once again, where on this channel, you could expect me teaching you how to make money online, whether you're a complete beginner, whether you're maybe an intermediate marketer. But what I teach are tips and tricks on affiliate marketing, sales funnels, email marketing, all the strategies you'll need to build a successful online business. I even touch on things like e-commerce, CPA marketing, different types of online marketing. So if that's your jam, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, because right now I'm uploading on a very consistent basis pretty much every day, so you won't want to miss a thing. So today's keyword, if you guys are excited about this video and want to see more content just like this, go ahead and in the comments below, I want you to type in cash websites. Now that's going to tell me how many of you guys are interested in this topic and if you want to see more of it, just so I can get a feel of who's, engaging with this video and whether you like it or not. So go ahead, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you got any value at all. And so let's go ahead and get right into today's content. So, all right, so the first website I want to talk about is Amazon.com. Now, it may be obvious to some of you, but I'm going to talk about something that you may not have realized with Amazon. So obviously, with Amazon, you could be an affiliate and sign up for free to be an affiliate of any product on Amazon, whether that's technology products, fitness products, camping products, hiking products, beauty products, you name it. You could be an affiliate for any product on Amazon and you can promote it. So an example here, this guy, he's one of the top Amazon affiliates, I think, in his niche. I mean, probably top 10 if I had to guess, but Sean Cannell also goes by his brand name of Think Media, has a crazy killer YouTube channel where what he does is he has a technology channel where he's giving content about technology. So cameras, lenses, drones, all tech and gadgets. So what he does and how he monetizes is with his Amazon affiliate links in the descriptions of his videos. So he's making bank on every video. That's one way he's monetizing his videos big time, is by promoting Amazon products. So you could be an affiliate of Amazon and sign up for free. But the other thing I wanted to mention is that if, let's say you're a local business, you can capitalize now on what Amazon calls like local services, I think. But basically how it works, so let's say you have a plumbing service or an installation service in, let's say, Dallas, Texas. So let's say somebody purchases like an equipment for their bathroom, like a shower head or something, random for the toilet or whatever. When they go to check out and purchase that product on Amazon, there's going to be a little link right before the checkout that says, would you like installation with that? Now, what that means is that it's giving business to local business owners in that area that may not have had that business if it weren't for Amazon. So if people say, yeah, I don't want to install it, let me hire somebody, then that business, if that local business that's kind of in line to get those services acquired when somebody orders a shower head or whatever, they get to go and get business that they otherwise would not have had. So if you have a local business, that's a cool thing to consider. The other thing I wanted to show about Amazon and how you can now monetize it even further, besides just being an affiliate of Amazon products, is you can now have digital services and open up a brand name store in Amazon where you can market and sell your digital products. So let me show you what I mean. So Dan Lok is a very, he's a multimillionaire, made millions online, but he, you guys can check out, his page here on Amazon later, but he's multimillionaire, he's well accomplished in our industry, but he has what you call a digital services site on Amazon. So he has no like physical products like, technology like computers or cameras or whatever, but he's selling his courses, his books, and he has his all of his products are searchable on Amazon. So it's like having your own LinkedIn page kind of on Amazon, but people can buy. So that is a really powerful tool, and this is something that's really untapped in Amazon right now, is this digital services platform. Okay, so you can see it has his bio here, his updates here, all of his books and the reviews he has on his books, and you could even have digital courses here, whatever it is you want. So that is pretty cool and something to consider for 2019 for sure and beyond, because I know right now it's only in late August of 2018, but it's never, never, never too early to start thinking about the year ahead or beyond that. So this is a source that's going to be untapped for a while, and I highly recommend you look more into it. Now, the second website that I recommend to make money online in 2019 is Udemy. I always think that I'm saying this wrong, but Udemy.com, it is a marketplace where you can find paid traffic sources to go to your affiliate offers. So what that means is you come to this website and you can find sellers that are selling traffic or they're selling solo ads. So essentially what happens is you pay them per click and you get to access their email list, and they will blast your email list until they accomplish a certain amount of clicks for your offer. So, as you can see, they cost different prices, but what I wanted to bring to your attention is that they have an affiliate program. So if you refer people to sign up with Udemy and they purchase a solo ad, you get commissions off that sale, but you also get lifetime commissions off that customer. So if Joey purchases a $200 solo ad, you'll get X amount of commission. And if he purchases another solo ad for $500 later on the next month, you also get commission off of that sale. So you get lifetime commissions off all customers who sign up through your link. So that is what I love, and that is, I always preach, if you're going to be an affiliate marketer, you have to promote at least a couple offers that offer recurring commissions that are predictable, and you can predict how much income you're going to have every month. So we'll talk more about that with the last website, but let me also talk about this next website, and that is, of course, YouTube. Now, YouTube is a gold mine, and people, it's not brand new to the world. Everybody knows YouTube, but I can't stress enough how valuable YouTube is if you're a business owner. I mean, there's 5 ways at least that I monetize my YouTube channel, and one of those ways, I'm an affiliate marketer. I have affiliate links in my description. I sell my own digital products in the description. However, if you come to my creator studio, you can check out my earnings per month. So right now, I'm earning around $1,400 a month on YouTube, and that's only going to increase as my views, my traffic, and my subscribers increase. Because my first check from Google AdSense, so that's how you get paid, is through Google AdSense, is through the YouTube Partnership Program. My first check was, I think, $1,263 was my first check from Google AdSense. And so as you can see, it's starting to gradually increase. But guys, I consider this passive income, because you have to, as a business owner, you have to build your brand regardless. You have to build your brand and give valuable content every single day, regardless, on some type of platform, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube. So basically, YouTube, the way I see it, is passively paying me to build my brand. So this is going to come in as long as I'm alive and posting content on YouTube, okay? So I just wanted to mention that, is if you haven't, I hope this gives you inspiration to get on YouTube, because today is August 29th, I believe, 2018, and I started building up my channel and committing to it in the middle of March, I only had 300 subscribers in the middle of March 2018. And as you can see, as of today, I have almost 11.5 thousand subs. That's wild. That's wild growth. But I committed and I posted every day, and it's paid off tremendously. Okay. So the next website where you can really cash in 2019 is a website called Builderall. So Builderall is an all-in-one business platform tool. So it is a tool where you have sales funnel building capabilities. So you can build out sales funnels on here. They have all kinds of templates. You can build out websites, like you don't have to use WordPress or Bluehost. They have tons and tons of tools. I have several videos on Builderall alone, and I'll leave those in the links in the description that you could check out later. But as you can see, I wanted to point out that I haven't even been promoting this system for a month yet. I think it's been just over 3 weeks. So I've earned 77 active leads, so 77 purchasers, and I've had approximately 15 level 2 or second tier commissions. So if I go to the business calculator, I'll show you exactly what that looks like. So I've sold, 77 licenses, and actually all of them have converted to the business. So up front, I'm getting close to $4,000 because the first sale you make is 100% commissions, and after that, it's 30% recurring commission. So when the real money starts to get exciting is when you start to have your people that signed up under you. If they have people sign up under them, you also get a commission for that. So let's be modest and say, each sale, each affiliate will make, whatever, 3 sales. Let's just, 3 sales, something as modest as that. Look at how high my monthly income jumps up. And it's crazy if I just change it to 5 or even 10. Look at how much it jumps up, you guys. So the affiliate program with Builderall is something that I've never seen before. The other cool thing is if you reach 100 active members within a year, you get an additional $1,000 per month. That's called their car bonus. You could use that money to pay for your car, but you could also use it for whatever you want. So I'm getting close to reaching that, and I haven't been promoting it for that long. So if you guys are interested in learning more about the tool, the Builderall tool, and it also its email marketing capabilities, I'll leave the links to those videos in the description. I'll also leave the links to join Builderall through me and the bonuses I offer in the description. And you can check that out after this video. Now, the last website that I wanted to talk about is called Legendary Marketer. Now, this is not a free website to join. It does cost initially $30 per month to join and access training. But what it is it's an online, think of it as a training school where you receive training every single month on how to build an online business from scratch. Now, this is a real online business that you're building. You get a success coach that walks you through the initial 15 steps. And on top of that, you're learning the different marketing platforms and how you'll start to market yourself. But the cool thing about Legendary Marketer is this is an affiliate network where you can earn as you learn. So as you're learning the material, you can be promoting these trainings and receiving a commission. So you can really start to see your commissions grow as time goes on. And as you can see, today I had $1,000 day in commissions. Now, not too long ago, you guys, this seemed impossible for me. Now, it was literally maybe 5 months ago where I was having no income, and I was just like, holy crap, I need to figure out what to do. I need something to promote and make money and start to get an income rolling. So I've only been promoting this for a little over 2 months, and as you can see, I hit $8,000, which is pretty sweet. Now, as a disclaimer, results aren't typical. You really have to be willing to put in work hard, follow the trainings, listen to your coach, and if you follow that formula, you will see success. It's only a matter of time. So yes, the reason why I love this system is because as you can see today, as I mentioned, I made $1,018. I've had $500 days. I've had $75 days. So this is really, really cool and really This program for me is just starting to heat up, and with this program alone, I plan to do 6 figures within the next 6 months. So if you guys were interested in joining Legendary Marketer in this system today, I do offer some pretty insane bonuses, including virtual mentorship from me in my private elite Facebook mastermind group, and also my Tube Traffic Domination course, which teaches you exactly how I'm bringing red hot leads and, converting into sales into my business every single day. So you guys would have complete access to that. So to join Legendary Marketer, it would be the first link in the description. And the reason also why I love this system is because you will be making recurring commissions every month, and also you can make high ticket commissions. So to have success as an affiliate marketer, you need both recurring commissions and also high ticket commissions. So that is what I explain to people, that they need to have those types of income streams, those 2 types of income streams, to really be successful online and to see $1,000 days, and higher than that. So anyways, guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and got some value on it and are able to get some ideas on some of the top profitable websites for 2019. Go ahead and let me know if you have any comments below in the description. Give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you hated it. Once again, my name is Marissa Romero, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.